Children, have you ever gone to the beach and collected shells? Enjoy this poem about the shell that sings. Sea Song. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear. And from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised, I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you'd find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. La 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 la. Children, let's pick the rhyming words from the poem. Sand, hand. Ear, clear, here. True, true. Curly, really. Took, look. Now let's pick the nouns from the poem. Shell, sand, home, hand, ear and song. Now let's take the describing words from the poem. Curly shell. Curly is a describing word. Describing words are called adjectives. Soft song. Soft is a describing word. Sweet song. Sweet is a describing word. Clear song. Clear is the describing word. Big shell. Big is a describing word. Now let's pick the opposite from the poem. Found, lost. Hard, soft. Inside, outside. Took, gave. Big, small. Came, went. Pick, drop. Cold, hot. True, false. Curly, straight. Sweet, bitter. Tall, short. Now let's pick the verbs from the poem. Present tense, past tense, present participle and past participle. The ing form of the verbs are called present participle. Pick, picked, picked. Look, looked, looking, looked. Hold, held, holding, held. Surprise, surprised. Surprising, surprised. Listen, listened, listening, listened. Find, found, finding, found. Hear, heard, hearing, heard. Take, took, taking, taken. Lie, lied, lying, lied. Sing, sang, singing, sung. Now answer the following questions. Where did the child find the seashell? The child found the shell lying on the ground. What did the child do with the shell? The child picked it up and took it home. What did the child hear? The child heard a soft and sweet and clear song. Now children, word building. Words ending with ELL, shell. Tell, sell, fell, sell, yell, bell, hell, smell, spell, well. Now words ending with RLY, curly, yearly, nearly, fairly, poorly, yearly, clearly, hardly, orderly, regularly, elderly. Now read the following. Birds sing, phones ring, people talk, dogs bark, cows moo, cocks crow, bees buzz, children hush. Now match the following. A bird singing, a cow mooing, a phone ringing, a dog barking, a cock crowing. Now choose the right words. The sea is very, very dash, big or far. The sea is very, very big. You cannot see here or see the other side. You cannot see the other side. You dash can or cannot cross the sea. You cannot cross the sea. You can cross it in a dash. Bus or ship. You can cross it in a ship.
Children, I show you some of the materials which are available in the beach. See, these are the things I bought from Kanyakumari beach. See, you can see the different type of soil. That is sand and no. This is, you see, this is orange color, this is no, this red color, this is black one, brown one, again this is another half white color. See, these are the small shells you can collect from even the fish shop. So these are the biggest shells. The fishermen should go inside deep into the sea and they must see that. And in that shell only you can hear the beautiful sound. You can hear the sound of the beach, you can observe it. See the different size of shells. See, whenever you go to the beach, you try to collect it and if possible, some of the thing you can buy and you can keep in your showcase or something. See this, there are fishermen, they are collecting from the middle of the sea and they are selling it. In that way, they are meeting their expenditure, day-to-day expenditure. So nothing wrong in buying from the people. When we buy, we can meet their livelihood. And there are some showcase items you can make out of that. See, these are the shells easily. It is available in the bank of the sea. You can collect it and you can stick it. And it is one of the creativity. You can show that when you present your friends, you can make yourself and present it. So you'll see again, I have so many things I couldn't take it from my showcase. Very few I'm showing, hope you all will be in a hurry. So whenever you collect it from the beach, you can decorate your house with the shells. And these are the things, once again I show you. And you also, whenever you can go to the beach side, either you collect it or one or two for the remembrance, you can buy and keep. This I bought around more than 10 years before I bought it. But still I have preserved it. Okay, now it is more useful for you to teach this. Okay children, you all collect like this? Okay, bye.